Hey, what's going on, y'all? Long time no see. I've been very busy doing lawn care. Like, it's lawn care season, y'all, and like, I've been busy, man. Anyway, I'm here for a house wash. This house right behind me. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all. I'm all set up. I have 100 feet of water hose to the house. I do have an extra 50 feet on the reel, just in case. I have 150 feet of pressure washer hose running all the way around. I have an extra 50 feet right here, just in case, but we're not gonna need it. Okay, pressure washer for a gallon per minute. It's already filled up with fuel. All right, I got the bucket set up. I'm gonna go start the water. I'm gonna fill that bucket with 5 gallons of fresh water, and that's 5 gallons of SH, 12.5%. We're getting downstream today, y'all. Okay, so let's get it on. Hey, I got the sign right there for the neighbors. All right, just in case they have questions, they walk over here, they see that sign. Okay, caution, pressure washing in progress. Overspray will spot clothing. Watch out for ground hazards. And there's our phone number. All right, and you can get these signs from Mike, the Fresh Rinse. Look him up on YouTube. The Fresh Rinse. All right, this is a good deal, y'all. All right, he has many more templates. So all we're gonna do is rinse. We're gonna rinse all this surface dirt off real quick. All right, because you lay the bleach down, but it's gonna get in contact with that surface dirt first. You just want to like knock it all off, all right? That's all we're doing right now, just knocking off that surface dirt. All these leaves stuck on here. I got to like remove those by hand, those leaves. All that dirt. You want to take all that dirt off first, y'all. All right? You could, if you want to, you could just start off with laying down the SH, downstream of the SH, but I prefer to take off all this dirt first. All these cobwebs. Wet the plants real good. Always wet the plants real good, y'all. Alright, because that overspray bleach is going to kill them. Alright. Always go around the like the lights are lights. I just go around them. See that, y'all? I taped all that up, man. Anything that's electrical, I tape up. Outlets and everything. See that? I tape up the outlets. All that dirt coming off. Wet the windows real good, y'all. Always wet the windows and plants real good before you downstream SH, alright? Any overspray will damage plants, and this will, wetting the windows will help the SH not stick on there when it's time to rinse off. So that surface dirt, y'all, that's just me, alright? I like to get it off first before I lay down the SH. Alright? You don't have to if you don't want to. You can just begin downstreaming SH. That's up to you. Whatever you do, always wet the windows and plants first. Alright? I prefer to wet off the surface dirt first and then lay down the SH, okay? You don't have to if you don't want to. You can start downstreaming with SH, but always remember to wet the windows and the plants, alright? Good to go? Alright, I'm gonna go and drop the downstream injection to the SH. Alright, now we're going downstream, y'all. Downstream, I started from up to the bottom, alright? I start from the top to the bottom. That's how I do it, alright? You can do it however you want. I'm not worried about getting SH on these trees. I'm sure he's not worried about it either. They're just in the way. It's just preventing all this algae. So I'm not using no surfactant. I'm just using straight up SH. Okay, so I'm using. Sorry, smell it. Sodium hypochlorite, y'all, 12.5% downstreaming. When it comes out the gun, it's about between a 1 to a 1.5%. You can use surfactant if you want to. It helps stick the SH to the surface for more glow time. All right. We're gonna start on this side. This is the dirty side first, and we're gonna work our way to the front, the other side, and the back part, and then come back around. Check it out. If there's still spots that we need to hit again, we'll hit it again with SH. If not, we'll just start rinsing off. Show you something, y'all. I haven't even rinsed it, okay? But look at it. Alright, that's like 2 minutes of laying down the SH. Alright, it's already getting clean. Alright. Hey, leave a comment, tell me what you think. I'm using a M5 twist. That's all I'm using, y'all. I got the David Shooter tip for high reaches, but I don't need that. I just need the M5 twist. Okay, I got a swivel on the gun. That's all I need, y'all. Look at that. I got my torn up shirt, wore out from bleach. You don't need no fancy clothes, y'all. All you need is motivation and a passion. Hey, we're gonna skip this side right now because this side's getting a lot of sun and it's hot out here. So I'm gonna spray SH on this last. I don't want it to take too long to get it rinsed off, right? Because it can stick to the siding, okay? But here's the back part. And 5 twists all day, y'all. You don't need that telescoping wand. All you need is like a handgun. All right, there's a Sutner gun and an M5 twist, y'all, or a J-Rod. Okay. Use almost a whole 5 gallons, all right, of SH right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and downstream the 5-gallon bucket of water so we can rinse off our downstream injector. All right, let's do this. 5 gallons of water, y'all. We're gonna rinse off our downstream injector while we're rinsing off the house. But look at that, y'all. This thing is already clean. Look at that, it's already clean. So we're gonna rinse off all that SH that's on the house right now. Start from the top down, bottom down, top, bottom up, whatever, just rinse it off, y'all. So this house isn't in my part of town, so for lawn care, he called for lawn care. So I refer him to somebody that does lawn care over here. I told him, but I do travel your way for pressure washing. For a house, so I could do a house wash. And so that's what we agreed on. So I'm over here doing this house wash. All you need is motivation and passion, y'all. Make a Google site, Facebook advertisement, door knocking, house flyers. All right, you can make, I don't want to say get my quotes on YouTube anymore, but hey, you can make $350 right here, y'all. $350, all right? Just laying, downstreaming SH and rinsing it off. Remember to wet the windows real good, all right? You want to rinse off all that SH. All right, already did that one over there. Rinse off all that SH, okay? You gotta rinse those pants over there too. There we go with the plants, y'all. With the plants real good before you lay down the SH and while we're rinsing the SH off. There's that part that was gets a lot of sun and it's real hot out, y'all. So I lay the SH on over here last, okay? Less time to dwell. It's not that dirty. All right, so we don't want the SH to stick on here. Not using surfactant, just straight up SH. And then 5 twists. You can adjust it to get high reaches or to get low. Get those windows real good, y'all. Rinse them good before and after. All right, here's the back side. Here's the back side, y'all. The windows real good. There's the back side, y'all. Oh, that was green right there. Downstreaming SH, that's all we're doing. We're not applying pressure. We're downstreaming it, laying the chemical on the house, and rinsing it off. Let the chemical do for about 5 minutes, and just rinse it off. If it's real hot outside, you don't want to let it go that too long. You don't want to let it go too long because it'll stick to the siding. All right, this is the last of it, y'all. Pretty much done. What do you think, y'all? Leave a comment. All right. If you're already doing this and you're watching this for entertainment, how much would you charge for this? Leave a comment, all right? It helps all the users, all the beginners, you know what I mean, get an idea of what to charge, all right? Whatever you do, don't lowball yourself. All you're doing is downstreaming and rinsing it off. Done. You know, it's hot out today, y'all. Heat index is supposed to be 106. But hey, I'm done, y'all. I need a water run right there. All right. Letting the pump cool off. That's what I heard on YouTube, so that's what I do. But hey, look, y'all, I'm done. I am done. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, my number is 910-939-9020. Like how I pressure wash, house wash, what chemicals I use. Yeah, I just started this like about 3 years ago, y'all. I've been getting more customers this year. All right, they've been reaching out to me on Google. Okay, get a Google page, y'all. A Google page, it helps out a lot. Other than that, y'all, look at that. It's clean. Remember the backyard? Remember this dirty side? Hey, I don't recommend you buy into those. Oh, you know, buy into my. You got those people on YouTube telling them to buy their program, their class. I don't believe in that crap though. But I did get persuaded by Mr. Bubbles. All right. He persuaded me. Okay, on his YouTube channel, I got it. Hey, y'all, he has some good tips on there and how to optimize your Google page. Okay, so Mr. Bubbles, look him up on YouTube. All right, get his class, it's worth it. I only got it for a month. A month is all I needed, okay? You'll get a lot of knowledge in 1 month. All right, here's that king side right here, so it's drying up. All right, so you don't want to let SH, if it's real hot out, you don't want to let SH to dwell for a long time, okay? I let SH on this side last, all right? I don't want to dwell too much. Here's the back part. That side was dirty right there. Now it's clean. Okay, all the windows are nice and wet. I'll rinse them off. All right, tell me what you think, y'all. Tell me what you think. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. I really appreciate it. Look at that torn shirt, all right? Hey, that's SH, okay? So be careful what you wear, all right? Because all that overspray will get on your clothes and it'll jack them all up. I'm wearing shorts today. That's my attire because it's hot. I got here at 11:30 and right now it's 1:06. All right, so that's almost like an hour and a half. All right. Hey, it's easy, y'all. You could do it. All right, every pressure washer should have like some kind of downstream system, even the small ones like you get from Lowe's and Home Depot. All right, all you're doing is downstreaming the chemical on the house, y'all. Let it dwell for about 5 minutes and then rinse it off, okay? The SH is doing the work, okay? It's just taking off the algae and the organic growth, all right? Hey, y'all, tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Hydrate, y'all, hydrate, all right? It's hot. Hey, God bless. At all times, never quit or give up. Hey, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.